How to log into Icelandair Saga Club. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Icelandair Saga Club and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Icelandair.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on it. Then navigate to the option of login. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. You can use Facebook or Saga Club ID. You can go ahead and select the option of your choice. Just select the option that you have used for creating your account. Now I can go ahead and type in your Saga Club number or email. Then type in the password. If you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, check in for the option of I'm not a robot, complete the verification process, and with that you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Icelandair Saga Club. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.